Welcome to Meadow Farm, located in the beautiful Champlain Valley of Vermont. We are Kevin and Carol Schumann, and we're going to show you around the farm and introduce you to our herd. Our 110-acre farm is located in Orwell, Vermont, which is a small agricultural town, and it is home to our herd of alpacas and sheep. In addition to raising alpacas and sheep, we also grow most of our own food. Leveraging rich compost, we have a hoop house and 75 raised beds where we grow garlic, onions, shallots, leeks, tomatoes, peppers, beets, peas, carrots, lettuce, Brussels sprouts, and various other vegetables, as well as rhubarb, strawberries, hops, herbs for cooking, and herbs for tea. Our website has a home goods section where you'll find our herbal teas and dehydrated leeks. Our barn houses 15 alpacas, 5 sheep, and 2 horses. We also have 11 chickens who provide us with eggs. Barn chores are done twice daily, around 8 a.m. in the morning and in the evening near sunset. This time varies depending on the time of year. Each time we do chores, we move approximately 55 gallons of fresh water, 150 pounds of hay, and 25 cups of feed. Cleanup involves raking up about 150 pounds of animal waste that is moved to a compost pile where it is turned throughout the year to convert it to rich soil. That soil is ultimately used in our garden beds. Our sheep are shorn once a year in the spring. The white sheep are Romulets. They are very large sheep. And the smaller sheep are called Rommeldale and Rommeldale CVM. The Rommeldale looks darker and the Rommeldale CVM is lighter gray. Madeline loves a back rub, and she gets one whenever she can. As the sheep are shorn, we separate seconds. That is, the legs, the belly, and the hindquarter fiber from the prime blanket. The blanket is used for our yarn, and the other portions, the seconds, are used to spread in the garden to add fertilizer and to retain moisture. The blanket fleece is laid out on a skirting table to dry. and it is later skirted to remove vegetative matter, short cuts, and poop tags. It will be sent to the mill to be spun into yarn. The alpacas are very curious about the sheep shearing and wondering when it'll be their turn. The alpacas are admiring the sheep's new do. They almost don't recognize them since they look quite different than they did a few minutes ago. Alpacas come in 22 natural colors, more than any other animals. Females weigh approximately 125 to 150 pounds, and males weigh 180 to 200 pounds. Gestation is very long, it's 11 months. A baby alpaca, which is called a cria, weighs in the range of 16 to 20 pounds, so that's a very large baby for a 125 to 150 pound animal. They are shorn once a year in the spring, just like the sheep are. It's alpaca shearing day. The shearer has tied down the animal to keep it safe. This is done to keep their skin stretched out so that they don't get nicked or cut. While they're tied down, we also take this opportunity to cut the alpaca nails, so to trim them. As the animal is shorn, I separate out the prime blanket, which is the torso of the animal, which is the finest fleece, from the other parts. The seconds and thirds consist of the neck, leg, and belly fiber. That fiber is much coarser and is used for needle felting or wet felting. It is not used for our nice soft yarn. After being shorn, the alpacas love scratching their backs by rolling in the grass. They're very happy and cool right now. So what do we do with all this wonderful fiber? We have it spun into yarn from fingering weight through bulky weight. I develop patterns and kits, and Kevin develops the packaging and manages our website and social media. Our products are marketed on our website and at various sheep and wool festivals where we love to interact with our customers and fiber enthusiasts. Thank you for touring our farm.